If you're setting up a safe, clean play area, choosing the right base material matters. The best landscape fabric for playgrounds helps control weeds, improves drainage, and keeps mulch or rubber in place, ensuring a neat, worry-free space for kids to enjoy. Number 1. Palatala landscape fabric. When it comes to creating a safe, attractive, and easy-to-maintain playground space, the Palatala landscape fabric delivers a practical and reliable solution. This professional-grade 6 by 300-foot weed barrier fabric is crafted from durable 3.2-ounce polypropylene, designed to withstand outdoor elements and heavy foot traffic. One of the highlights of this product is its clever packaging. It arrives folded to 3 feet for convenient storage and transport, then opens out to its full 6-foot width for use. That makes handling much easier during installation, especially when working on large areas like playgrounds. What sets this fabric apart is its dual role as a weed barrier and geotextile fabric. It effectively blocks weed growth, preserving the appearance and safety of playground surfaces, while also promoting proper drainage to avoid muddy spots and pooling water. Constructed with smooth, burr-free edges, this tear-resistant material remains durable against wear, UV rays, and varying weather conditions. The Palatala landscape fabric features excellent breathability and permeability, allowing air and water to reach the soil beneath, which keeps the ground healthier and more stable over time. This feature also helps prevent soil erosion under loose fill surfaces like mulch or rubber crumb. The fabric comes with 20 U-shaped staples, making it simple to anchor firmly in place and minimizing the risk of it shifting during use. Ideal for playgrounds, driveways, gardens, and pathways, it enhances the neatness and functionality of any outdoor area. Number 2. Rintea landscape fabric. For playground areas where cleanliness, safety, and weed control are priorities, the Rintea landscape fabric is a dependable, heavy-duty option worth considering. Made from thick 3.2-ounce polypropylene woven fabric, this professional-grade weed barrier provides long-lasting durability and excellent ground protection. Its heavy-duty construction means it effectively prevents weeds from taking root, reducing the amount of maintenance needed in high-traffic play areas. What makes the Rintea fabric particularly playground-friendly is its dual-purpose design. While it efficiently suppresses weed growth, it also allows water and nutrients to flow through, maintaining the health of the soil beneath rubber mulch, gravel, or wood chips. Easy installation is another strong point for this product. The Rintea weed blocker fabric comes with clear green guidelines printed directly onto the surface, which makes alignment and planting in organized rows simple if your playground area doubles as a landscaped garden space. It can be easily cut to fit any size or shape using basic household scissors, and it includes 20 U-shaped pegs to secure the fabric firmly in place. The woven design allows for water and air permeability while creating an effective barrier to sunlight, which keeps weeds from sprouting without disturbing soil balance or plant health nearby. Versatility is another advantage, as the Rintea landscape fabric can be used not only for playgrounds but also in gardens, flower beds, agricultural applications, and landscaping projects. Number 3. Iropro landscape fabric. If you're seeking a reliable ground cover for playgrounds, the Iropro landscape fabric is a practical, durable choice designed with both performance and convenience in mind. Made from 3.2-ounce PP woven fabric, it offers impressive strength and tear resistance, ensuring it holds up well against playground foot traffic and weather exposure. One thoughtful feature of this product is its space-saving design. It arrives folded and rolled for compact storage and handling, with the 4 feet and 6 feet wide options folding down to half their width. Once unrolled, it expands to its full size, making installation on larger playgrounds more manageable. The fabric's permeability is a key benefit for playground settings. It allows water and air to reach the soil, which keeps the ground underneath healthy, prevents water pooling, and ensures the playground surface stays stable. Despite this breathability, it effectively blocks sunlight, preventing weeds from sprouting and keeping playground areas neat and low maintenance. The Iropro weed barrier also features printed green guidelines, which help with alignment during installation and are especially useful when laying out rows or border edges. Durability is another major plus. Crafted from high-quality polypropylene, the Iropro fabric resists tears, high temperatures, and wear over time. This makes it a smart option for playground surfaces covered in mulch, gravel, or rubber, as it maintains its integrity even under active use. Installation is straightforward, requiring only scissors to cut to size, and it accommodates custom shapes for playground borders, climbing areas, or other unique layouts. Suitable for multi-use applications, it's equally at home under artificial grass, flower beds, patios, and driveways. Number 4. Ecogardener Landscape Fabric. For those who value simplicity and reliability when preparing a playground surface, the Ecogardener Landscape Fabric offers a solid combination of durability and ease of use. This heavy-duty, premium weed barrier fabric is built to make outdoor maintenance projects, including playground installations, more efficient and hassle-free. Known for its superior weed-blocking capabilities, the Ecogardener fabric is made from professional-grade materials that hold up well under outdoor conditions and heavy use. It eliminates the tedious chore of constant weeding, preserving a clean and orderly look in play areas, especially under mulch, pea gravel, or rubber surfacing. What makes the Ecogardener fabric particularly useful for playgrounds is its excellent permeability. It allows water, air, and essential nutrients to pass through to the soil while blocking sunlight to prevent weed growth. This maintains soil health and ensures a safe, dry play surface without puddles or muddy spots. Installation is refreshingly straightforward, as the fabric can be rolled out, cut to shape, and secured in place with landscape staples. It's user-friendly enough for both experienced landscapers and DIY homeowners alike. Durability is another key feature. The Ecogardener Landscape fabric resists tears, UV damage, and general wear, making it a dependable choice for areas with frequent foot traffic and changing weather. Its heavy-duty composition ensures long-term weed suppression, reducing maintenance needs and enhancing the lifespan of playground surfaces. Designed for versatility, this fabric also works well for flower beds. Number 5. Vanver Landscape Fabric. The Vanver Landscape Fabric stands out as a dependable, heavy-duty option for playgrounds, offering superior weed control and lasting durability. Constructed from 3.2 ounces thick polypropylene, this landscape fabric is designed to handle high-traffic outdoor areas with ease. It effectively blocks weed growth while allowing water and essential nutrients to pass through to the soil, preserving plant health around play areas and ensuring the ground beneath remains stable and well-drained. This versatile fabric is ideal for playground surfaces, as well as gardens, vegetable patches, pathways, sidewalks, and lawn borders. Its thick, woven structure and anti-aging materials make it particularly resilient to sun exposure, moisture, and physical wear, allowing it to maintain performance over time. Installation is made easy by the fabric's user-friendly design. It can be quickly rolled out and cut to the desired size using scissors. Once in place, it's secured with landscape pins, providing a firm, stable base layer that won't shift under foot traffic or weather conditions. One of the standout qualities of this fabric is its high permeability. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.